Is your Gmail account banned? If yes, the video for today is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you two methods that could help you unban your Gmail account within 24 to 72 hours. So Gmail is a very important application these days because most of us utilize Gmail as our primary email service provider, sending and receiving emails and stuff like that. But imagine one fine day you waking up and opening your email app on your Android device at least, and you get a notification telling you that your account has been disabled. That is going to be very disappointing, right? And it is actually going to be a problem for you because if you are a person who has an Android device, you're not able to utilize your Gmail account. It's not just your Gmail account. You would not be able to log into YouTube, Google Drive, do Google Meets and stuff like that. So it is very important for you to ensure that once your Gmail account is banned, or you at least put in an appeal so that you could try and get your account unbanned. I'm going to show you two methods. The first method is very simple and easy. On that screen where you see the notification, you may just get an option to start an appeal to the bottom right. Just click on that option and you start the appeal process. Whatever questions you are being asked, just answer, submit your appeal, put in a message, and maybe in your message you could tell Gmail that you have been using Gmail according to their terms and conditions. You haven't done anything wrong and stuff like that. Ask them to give you a one-time exception and stuff like that, and send in your appeal. These guys are definitely going to respond to you. Gmail wouldn't miss responding to you at all. The second method to contact them is to email them directly. And how to get their direct email contact? You could go ahead and do a search for Google Contact Email on Google search. Simple. And you just click on the third option, grievance mechanism for India, or whatever your location is. Your location would be mentioned out here. You could see an email out here, support-in@google.com. You could request an appeal by sending them an email to this email address. If you want, you could click on this link to understand the grievance mechanism for your location. You're going to get all the support out here. Okay, you're going to get an address and everything for your location. And regarding the time frame, Google is very prompt. Mostly they would respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. But if you do not get a response within 1 to 3 working days, just go ahead and send them another appeal. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.